Someone's in love. Someone's still holding this big picture of love. This is not just a cup, but this is a picture right here. So whatever the case may be, this could be your energy, but I do see that this could be the person here that you're dealing with. Someone's still holding this big picture of love for you. So yeah, I think someone's here is still in love with you. Wow, so let's keep moving right here. So this person here could be, with the judgment over here, making a decision right here or planning to make his or her decisions right here. Like he or she's trying to do something that will definitely help him or her to achieve his or her goal when it comes to you guys. So I do see this person here still in love with you, might be planning or trying to execute any plans in his or her mind right here. But I'm seeing forward movements. This person really is wanting to take a move or to make any bold move right here towards you guys. Wow. So let's keep moving. Who was this person here? This person sees you as the star energy. So whoever this individual is, this person here, you are still his or her biggest star. You are still his or her dream. And whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this person here really wanting to to achieve that type of dream involving you guys. So maybe this person here wants to have you in his or her life. So let's see. This person's still in love with you. Yeah. This person's still in love with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out other infos about this. Oh, I think someone here is looking for you. Someone here is searching for you. Someone here could be asking your name. Someone here could be interested to you. I do see that this person here, it could already be someone here who could be looking for you for quite long already. Maybe this person here is someone you already know, but let's see more. Okay? But someone here is definitely looking for you. Wow. So let's keep moving. Yeah, with the presence of Six of Cups energy, this could be someone here you already know, but it looks like whoever this individual is, you you do not have any romantic experience with this person. Like you do not have any romantic history with this person here. So I do see that this person here could be wanting to come forward. This could be someone here who could be a schoolmate, or this could be someone here who is a childhood friend of yours. Might be an old neighborhood right here, but doesn't have to be. Maybe this is someone here you already know for quite a long time. So I do see that this person here, um, there could be a lack of communication right now because this person here is searching for you, but I do not see that there is something here, like an argument or like an issue between you guys. Like there's none. I do see two people right here, okay, that you could have known each other here for quite a long time already. So this could be someone here, um, like a friend, like a old colleague right here, or someone here you already know. Yeah. So let's keep moving. definitely prepare for some kind of communication because this person here will definitely found you. So wow. So let's keep moving right here. Ace of Cups. Yeah, this is something here, okay? Like a new potential lover, even though you already knew this person here. That's what I'm picking up. But I do see that this person's here passion and love for you gets stronger and stronger each day. So this person here could be waiting for that type of divine timing here or moment to finally see you again. So yeah. So I do see that with the Six of Swords energy and there's this Knight of Swords. From being slow, I'm seeing that things will move pretty quickly from here because this person here will definitely find where you are. So yeah, let's keep moving. Wow, I love that. Wow, this is divinely guided connection with the temperance energy right here. So wow. Ace of Wands energy right at the center or heart of this reading is an indication that this person's passion, this person's determination to see you once again. I do see that this person here will definitely start some kind of passionate new beginning here when it comes to dealing with you guys. So, okay, let me just lay all the energies on the table. Wow, we have here the Knight of Coins energy, Ace of Coins, and there's this Eight of Coins energy. So, hi and hello there, sweethearts. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here, and of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates here with you, guys. So, I do see that with the Knight of Cups energy, Seven of Coins, this person here could be looking for you for quite a long time already. So, this person here with the Hermit, I do see that this person here is searching for you, looking at you, might be on any social media platform, searching for your name or searching for your photos right here. Or maybe there's a particular information this person here knew about you and he or she is using that to find you. I do see that this person here could be trying to look for you everywhere. Yeah. So this person here, I think this person here, you already had history with this person, but not romantically. I do see that this person here could be wanting to come towards you in the past, but this person here, there are a lot of past situations right here that might interfere this connection or that might interrupt this connection here. So I do see that this person here could be wanting to take another chance to see you and to offer you this chalice of love. Right now or right at this very moment. Yeah, I do see that this person here is thinking about you, thinking about this passionate new beginning here with you guys, starting fresh with you when it comes to relationship, love, relationship, commitment right here. This person really wants to commit to you guys. So I do see with that with the presence of Six of Swords energy, maybe this person here is physically far from you right now or at a distance from you. But I do see that things will definitely moving pretty quickly because this person here will definitely so close in meeting you once again. So I do see that your roads will definitely cross each other's path once again. And I do see that this person here will eventually wanting to be more expressive about his or her feelings and emotions here for you. Yeah, this person here could be, someone who did hid his or her feelings for you in the past. Maybe lack of confidence. Maybe this person here is not so determined to pursue this connection because he or she has lots of insecurities. But now, I do pick up that there are no blockages or that there are no other negative things that interrupts this connection here. So I do see that this person here could be trying to search for you because he or she cannot forget about you. His or her feelings for you is still the same. So whoever this individual is, this person here is looking for you, wanting to be with you, wanting to take a chance here with you, wanting to take this risk when it comes to you. This person here, you could possibly bump with this person here near your workplace, or maybe this person here, could be a newbie in your company or in the company that you're working with. Maybe this person here could be one of your new colleagues or new neighbor to others of you. I think this person here will definitely make its way towards you guys. So I do see that this person here is searching for you everywhere, asking for you everywhere. So even though this person here lacks information or lacks connection right here, I do see that this person's determination to pursue this connection will eventually take him or her to, yeah. So wow, I do see that this person here will continue to work on this process in searching and looking for you, because what's important for him or her right now is to see you and to be with you again. So I do see that this is some kind of a love and connection right here that is about to begin. I'm seeing two new beginnings here with you guys. And whoever this individual is with the Knight of Swords energy, temperance, there's a lot of determination, there's a lot of bold movements right here. This person is already doing. I do see that this person here is really exerting his or her effort to be able to find you. And I do see that you will definitely found by this person here. So whoever this individual is, this person here is actually giving me the vibe that he or she is definitely mature when it comes to his or her decisions in any areas of his or her life. And I do see that this person here could be, someone who is now taking responsibility when it comes to his or her life. And I think this is something here that he or she really wants to pursue. Yeah, this person here really wants to pursue this connection here with you. And no doubt, we have here the temperance energy. This person here feels like that this is somewhat a divinely guided connection. And you know what? He or she is right about this one, because the temperance right here is my bartender kind of thing. The universe is now brewing something beautiful in your romantic situation or love life together with this person here. And I'm seeing two new beginnings here, two new passionate beginnings here with this person. So I do see that this person here is worth investing your time. This person do not want to waste your time right here, and this person wants to show you that you are really special and that you are really someone who is worth giving a try when it comes to commitment, love, and relationship. This person here feels something about you that he or she cannot even explain at all, but he or she is really trying to go with the flow, trusting the process, especially listening to his or her intuition and heart. This person here feels like that he or she is already close in finding you. And yeah, this person's definitely right. Because for a lot of them, I'm seeing that they're really close in finding you, sweetheart. So prepare for some kind of communication. Eight of Wands energy, Ace of Wands, Six of Cups. The person right here with the Two of Wands energy, prepare for this crossing of paths once again. I do pick up that you will definitely have this beautiful conversation, meeting together with someone here you already know, but you haven't experienced any romantic situation with this person. But now, I do see you right here being engaged into this type of beautiful love story together with this person right here. So, however this individual is, this person here is very hardworking, diligent. Maybe this person here could be, doing multiple jobs. So maybe this person here is someone who could be working in a company and doing some kind of business here as well. So I do see that this individual is serious and a lot of determination in pursuing this connection here, trying to look for you, and this person here will definitely succeed to whatever it is that he or she is doing. I'm picking up that with this Knight of Pentacles energy, this is someone here who is embodying that pure heart, a lot of sincerity, a lot of forward movement coming from this person here. This person will definitely not going to back out from this. Yeah, this person will not give up on you. This person will definitely do his or her very best just to find you. So I do see that you will definitely be found with this person over here. So this person right now is actually trying to focus here in searching for you. So prepare yourself because union is very close with this person. So I'm seeing you diving into this type of beautiful connection with this person, conversing with this person here in a very heartfelt conversation. And I do see that communication will definitely happen. Confession of feelings will definitely unfold in this type of connection, and you will definitely feel this type of energy that you are really loved by this person over here. So, wow, I'm seeing numbers 4, 7, and number 15. So, those could be numbers right here, like special dates, maybe your birth date or his or her birth date right here, or, some kind of special numbers too. Yeah. Okay, just take how this resonates. And I'm also seeing right here color orange and color red, which are colors of flaming love. So I do see that a passionate love relationship is about to blossom here in your life. Romance is blooming right here, and the advice that I'm giving you guys is that enjoy every blissful moments with this person, because I do see you not just smiling whenever you're with this person, but I'm seeing you laughing. Like you really feel blessed to have this person here in your life. So thank you so much for your time, sweetheart, and love and light.